Fantastic destination to learn about the history of Irish whiskey. My partner and I, had an amazing experience at the Irish Whiskey Museum. We booked the premium tour, which consists of basically the same tour but with an extra glass of whiskey to taste at the end and a little souvenir. The whiskey tasted amazing. Our personal favorites were the Irishman and the Dead Rabbit. Additionally, the tour was conducted by Andrew, who was very friendly and delivered an amazing performance. It was an interactive tour, which in my opinion made it all the better. All love to Andrew and the staff of the Irish Whiskey Museum for giving us an amazing experience. Andrew was a great guide and storyteller. Definitely recommend booking via Klook instead of their website for a better deal as well. Just sit and listen to the production process and history, and there is a tasting session.